What's going on, everyone? 2012 Kia Sorento. Engine had a rod knock. We decided to pull the engine and buy an eBay rebuild kit. For $330. Came with everything you need, including the crankshaft, pistons, all the gaskets. Doesn't come with the head nor crankshaft. This is the old one. As you can see, the damage here. Bearings were spun. We are replacing the oil pump. That didn't come with it. It did come with a new timing kit, so that will be replaced as well. This is all the old stuff. That's the timing kit cover. Fortunately, I didn't get footage of us pulling the engine, but we just finished putting the new rings on to the pistons. Not the best quality, but I mean, what can you get for 300 bucks? But just finished torquing down the crankshaft. Everything's going good. About to drop the pistons down. We'll pick up the video from there. Piston going in. Okay. Putting them in. Got 3 more left. Sorry for the cut clips, everybody. Here's us. We're just jumping in because the battery's dead. But here's the engine running. Before it had a knock. Now it sounds like a well-oiled machine. No check engine lights. It only had 91,000 miles too. These Kias, man. There's a little bit of oil leak because the oil pan isn't tightened down and we missed the bolt, but we got that covered. Yeah. Dude, it's running, guys. I'd say for $300 it was worth it. Saved me about $2,500 buying a used engine from the junkyard, and now I got an almost brand new engine. Recommend it. Thank you, guys.